Welcome to the video class, children. Good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all doing great. Isn't it, children? Yes. This is our English class for grade 2. In this class, we are going to recall Unit 5 Prose Funny Bunny. Shall we recall, children? Yes. In this prose, we have 6 characters. How many characters? 6 characters. They are Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, Pussy Goosey, and Foxy Foxy. Okay, children. So, shall we start? Yes. One day, Funny Bunny was resting under a tree. Suddenly, a nut fell on him. He thought that the sky is falling on his head. So he decided that I must going to tell the king. So Funny Bunny went to find the king. On the way he met the hen. Henny Benny. He said to her, "Do you know the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king." She said that I'll also come with you. And then both of them went to find the king. On the way, the both were met Cocky Locky, the cock. Again, Funny Bunny told him that the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. He replied, "Okay, I'll also come with you." And the three went to find the king. Now, on the way, they met a duck, Lucky Ducky. Funny Bunny told the duck, "The sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king." So she said, "I'll also come with you." All of them went to find the king. Okay. On the way, the four of them met Goose. "Pussy Goosey." Again Funny Bunny told her the sky is going to fall. So Pussy Goosey said, "I'll also come with you." And all of them now went to find the king. On the way they met a cunning fox, Foxy Foxy. All of them told to Fox that the sky is going to fall, but the fox found the foolishness of them. He did not tell them, he only told them, "I know where king lives and I show them the way." He said, "Follow me." Do you know why? Because he want to eat them. So that was the end of all of them, because the fox ate all of them. Isn't it, children? Yes. I hope you all recall the story. Shall we move to classwork? Yes. First one, new words. Nut. N-U-T, nut. Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Fourth one, king. K-I-N-G, king. Fifth one, goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Okay. Nut, bunny, rabbit, king, goose. And then synonyms. Humble, modest. H-U-M-B-L-E, humble. M-O-D-E-S-T, modest. Magnify, enlarge. M-A-G-N-I-F-Y, magnify. E-N-L-A-R-G-E, enlarge. Blend, mix. B-L-E-N-D, blend. M-I-X, mix. Tender, soft. T-E-N-D-E-R, tender. S-O-F-T, soft. Fifth one, famous, well known. F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. W-E-L-L-K-N-O-W-N, well known. Okay, children. Humble, modest. Magnify, enlarge. Blend, mix. Tender, soft. famous, well known. And then we move to antonyms. Fall, rise. F-A-L-L, fall. R-A-I-S-E, rise. Gather, scatter. G-A-T-H-E-R, gather. S-C-A-T-T-E-R, scatter. Find, lost. F-I-N-D, find. L-O-S-T, lost. Victory, defeat. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y, victory. D-E-F-E-A-T, defeat. Dwarf, giant. D-W-A-R-F, dwarf. G-I-A-N-T, giant. Okay, children. Fall, rise. Gather, scatter. Find, lost. Victory, defeat. Dwarf, giant. And then we move to answer the following. What is the moral of the story? Here the answer is, moral of the story is, don't believe on anything or anyone after fully know about him or it. Moral, M-O-R-A-L, moral of the story is T-O-R-Y, story is don't, D-O-N-T, don't. Believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. On, anything, A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything. Or anyone, A-N-Y-O-N-E, anyone. After, A-F-T-E-R, after. Fully, F-U-L-L-Y, fully. Know, K-N-O-W, know. About, A-B-O-U-T, about. Him or it. Okay, children. Moral of the story is, don't believe on anything or anyone after fully know about him or it. Okay. And then second one, what are the animals did the rabbit meet? Here the answer is, funny bunny met cock, hen, goose, duck and fox. Funny bunny met C-O-C-K, cock, H-E-N, hen, G-O-O-S-E, goose, D-U-C-K, duck and fox, F-O-X, fox. Funny bunny met cock, hen, goose, duck and fox. Okay. Third one, which is the cleverest animal in this story? Here the answer is, Woxy Foxy is the cleverest animal in this story. W-O-X-Y, Woxy. F-O-X-Y, Foxy is the cleverest. C-L-E-V-E-R-E-S-T, cleverest animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal in this story. S-T-O-R-Y, story. Woxy Foxy is the cleverest animal in this story. And then fourth one, what did fall on Funny Bunny? Here the answer is, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. A nut, N-U-T, nut, fell, F-E-L-L, fell on Funny Bunny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. Okay, children. And then fifth one, which is the biggest fox in the world? Here the answer is, red fox is the biggest fox in the world. R-E-D, red fox. F-O-X, fox is the biggest. B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest fox. F-O-X, fox in the world. W-O-R-L-D, world. Red fox is the biggest fox in the world. Okay, children, I hope you all understood, isn't it? Yes, we will meet our next class. Thank you all.